Are you taking the wrong type of collagen and don't even know it? Have you been using expensive collagen powders, hoping they give you all the promised results? Yet you are frustrated and wasting money? Most people walk into a health store, grab whatever collagen is on sale, and hope for the best. But here's what they don't tell you. Not all collagen is created equal. Marine collagen, bovine collagen, chicken collagen. They all promise the same results: glowing skin, pain-free joints, a healthier gut. But the truth is, they work very differently in your body. Stay with me until the end of this video and don't miss the most important part of taking collagen peptides. I will explain in detail the 3 main types of collagens, and most importantly, how to pair any type with the right nutrients to make it work. Think about this. Even the best collagen is useless if your body can't absorb it and use it properly. First, let me explain why the type of collagen you choose matters. There are 28 types of collagens in the human body, but 3 dominate the supplement market. Type 1 collagen. Found in your skin, bones, and tendons. This is what keeps skin firm and bones strong. Type 2 collagen. Concentrated in cartilage. This is your joint support collagen. Type 3 collagen. Works alongside type 1 in skin, blood vessels, and organs. This is your structure and elasticity collagen. Now, different animal sources give you different collagen types and different absorption rates. So which source is best? Marine, bovine, chicken? Marine collagen comes from fish, usually the skin and scales. And here's why it's so popular. It contains primarily type 1 collagen, the exact type of collagen your skin needs the most. Marine collagen has a big absorption advantage because it has smaller peptide molecules compared to bovine or chicken-sourced collagen. Studies show that marine collagen peptides are absorbed up to 1.5 times more efficiently than other sources because of their smaller particle size, but there is a downside. Marine collagen is more expensive, sometimes 2 to 3 times the cost of bovine collagen. And if you have a fish allergy or sensitivity to shellfish, it's off the table. Bovine collagen comes from cows, specifically the hide, bones, and connective tissue. It contains both type 1 and type 3 collagen. This gives your skin the nutrients it needs to glow and provides structural support for muscles, blood vessels, and organs. Bovine collagen is incredibly versatile. It supports skin elasticity, bone density, muscle recovery, and gut lining health. It's like the Swiss Army knife of collagen supplements. Before we get to the next collagen type, support our channel by subscribing and hit the bell below so you don't miss the next video with more health tips. Now let's focus one more type of collagen that people overlook, and it's specifically designed for joint pain. Chicken collagen comes from the cartilage, bones, and connective tissue of chickens. It contains primarily type 2 collagen, the exact type found in your joints and cartilage. Type 2 collagen works best for joint pain, arthritis, cartilage repair, and flexibility. If you're dealing with knee pain, stiff joints, or cartilage issues, type 2 collagen is what you need. But here is the catch. Chicken collagen doesn't do much for skin or overall anti-aging. It's highly specialized for joints. So if glowing skin is your goal, this isn't the one for you. Are you confused about which collagen is best for you and what's the best way to take it? Is your primary concern wrinkles, elasticity, and skin hydration? Then you want the fastest absorption available. If budget isn't your main concern, choose marine collagen. For a budget-friendly option, making your own fish skin broth is easy and gives your body the raw ingredients to produce collagen when you complement it with other foods rich in vitamin C, as this improves absorption. If you want all-around support, skin, bones, muscles, and gut, choose bovine collagen. This collagen source gives you the best value for your money. You need both. Type 1 and Type 3 benefits to cover all your needs. Bone broth can also be an option if you prefer a natural homemade alternative. Are you in need of cartilage repair? You're not focused on skin anti-aging and are primarily concerned with joint pain or arthritis? Choose chicken collagen. Most people do best with bovine collagen because it covers the most bases. But if you have a specific goal, skin or joints, marine or chicken can be more targeted. Even if you choose the perfect type of collagen, it won't work unless you pair it with the right nutrients. Here's what you need to get the best out of collagen. Number 1, vitamin C. This is non-negotiable. Vitamin C activates the enzymes that link collagen amino acids together into strong fibers. Without it, that scoop of collagen is just expensive protein powder. Around 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily is ideal. Take it at the same time as your collagen. Mix them in the same drink or meal. Number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, which means your body can hold onto the collagen you're building instead of breaking it down. Aim for about 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Fish oil or algae oil supplements work great. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc activates the enzymes that help your body build collagen strands properly. It's also critical for skin healing and faster recovery. 8 to 11 milligrams per day is enough for most adults. You can get this from a multivitamin or standalone zinc supplement. Number 4. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid doesn't build collagen directly, but it works alongside it by holding moisture in your skin and joints. This makes your skin look plump and your joints feel more comfortable. 100 to 200 milligrams per day pairs beautifully with any collagen type. Number 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E protects your newly built collagen from being broken down by free radicals caused by sun exposure, pollution, or stress. Around 15 milligrams daily taken with a meal that has healthy fats for better absorption. This routine works for most people, no matter which type you choose. Build the foundation. 10 grams of collagen, marine, bovine, or chicken, based on your goal. 500 milligrams of vitamin C. 1,000 milligrams of omega-3s. Optional boosters. Zinc, 8 to 11 milligrams. Hyaluronic acid, 100 to 200 milligrams. Vitamin E, 15 milligrams. When is the best time to take it? Consider taking it on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before breakfast or 2 to 3 hours after dinner before bed. This maximizes absorption without competition from other proteins. Now, here's the bottom line. The type of collagen you choose matters. Marine for skin, chicken for joints, bovine for everything. But no matter which type you pick, it won't work without vitamin C, omega-3s, and the other key nutrients that activate collagen production. It's not about expensive creams or quick fixes. It's about giving your body the right tools consistently over time. If you want a deeper dive into supplement stacks and anti-aging protocols, the Biohacking Elite community is packed with resources. Check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Let me know in the comments about your collagen supplement experience. You might help others in their health journey.